There, see it's going. And this one, if you put it on, you know, you can focus in there, and then it'll lighten it up a little bit. So, but whatever. Yeah. Try to get the drift. So here I am again. I'm gonna get rid of the big huge drift here. Hopefully the roof will not collapse and I won't get swept over the side. If I do, it'll be a really good video. Oh, cool. Oh, the broom like pokes right through with the holes. So maybe I could just perforate it enough where it'll all fall in one big chunk. I don't know, sometimes I think maybe this is the best idea.
Have you done this before?
Whoa!
Wow, that was a good one. That was excellent.
I'm going to get this one.
Okay.
No, I never did this before.
Poke
But
a
it
hole
goes right through.
in the snow.
And it's like perforating it.
Perforate it. And it drops. Keep poking a hole on the snowdrift. Watch your head, sweetie.
A lot of holes there.
Yep, it's still holding up. It won't give in. Unlike the other one, it just dropped. This one must be solid.
Whoa.
Oh, there you go. And that's the Snowdrift 2010. Pretty cool. That's my sweetie.
And there they are down there. Cool.
Very good. Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome.